Meaning of infinity pool.
Infinity pool.
Infinity pool.
Infinity pool.
Infinity pool. An infinity pool is a type of swimming pool that produces a visual effect of water extending to the horizon, giving the impression that the pool has no edge. This picturesque optical illusion is achieved by designing one or more edges of the pool to be lower than the water level, allowing the water to spill over into a catch basin below, which then recirculates back into the pool. Infinity pools are often found in luxury resorts and high-end residences, and they provide a serene and tranquil environment for relaxation while enjoying the scenic view.